Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Kyle again today, and today we have got an unbagging to do of a vacuum cleaner.
It's still not working. It only will cut some paper.
Why don't you just put it in your hands? Here we go, look. Daddy did a rescue.
Yeah, got a bag indicator tonight, this one.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Help me. Yeah, it's a double set hose. There.
It's got a double stretch hose. So,
Right.
any guesses yet?
Help me!
Right, I better go and give him a hand. Yeah, move your hands out the way
Got
then.
a bag door. See, he's not cutting through it.
Yeah, well. Rip the bag off then. Use your muscles.
I can, it has muscles or power to.
Right.
That's
Oh, get your hand out the way then.
Exactly where the hose goes.
Here. Right. Now, Carl, now you can unwrap it.
No, not off the bus bar and it's still hard. Don't bake it.
It's well wrapped. There we go.
Why haven't wrapped it this good?
Well,
I'm going to take one of the tape off. I've got two of the tape
why
off.
didn't you take the plastic bag off first?
Why? I went to Hoover set. Ow. Not the plastic. Hoover. Hoover. Got the shots in the tube.
Well, that's a good thing is it's got the
It's got some dirt coming out.
and it's got some. We got some free dirt as well.
Where? Help me.
Right. Let's get some scissors on it then.
It's got a hook.
Yeah.
Take the hose off. Why it's so tough?
Right. Well, there it is.
No, get all the tape off. It's still in the bag. It's got in
If
it.
you stand it up, we can get the tape off.
No, this needs to be upside down and this tackle's not going in. No, the only way I can get the bag door.
Yeah, but if you.
Oh, it's got a bandy bag in it.
Most of them.
It's got a bandy bag in it.
No, it hasn't.
Change it.
We'll get rid of that smelly one. And we have got
Oh,
a.
the sauce is gone.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh well. Well, put the bag on then, Carl. We have got a used bag here. We have got brand new H18 bags.
No, I'm not getting the Hoover Turbopower filter.
Well, don't need it yet.
It needs to go on the bottom. Right.
Get it up and running then.
No, Asher, when all this... It's on. Now it's good. What? Oh, come on. Come on, Sam. Come on.
Right.
Yeah.
We'll kick all this paper out of the way.
We've got a bag indicator line on this one.
Yeah, we're just expanding Carl's collection at the moment.
Dad, wire off.
There's scissors on the floor.
See, like, untie the wire.
There we go.
Now, I've got some tape over the wire.
Well, don't worry about that.
What kind of wire this is?
So we got a little bit of damage to the tape, which is not a problem.
This is how it goes.
How about we give it a go first?
Yep, in the hallway.
How about we do it here?
Nope.
Well, the good thing is it's got a full set of tools with it by the looks of it. And it seems in pretty good condition for the age.
I can't get this in.
Right.
I don't know what way it's in on the
It's in.
pizza.
Yeah.
There he is.
Well, it's 1,000 watt Turbopower 3.
Ah! Let's test it.
Right, go and plug it in then.
You put it in.
Cole's in one of his annoying moods today, I think.
Go!
Oh yeah, this the daddy test. This should be pretty much fused all right. Sounds right to me. Give it a blast now. Right, we've got some dirt on the floor here. We can vacuum the dirt up. Straight out of the box. Right, it's on the shortest one. There it's better.
This hose popped out.
Hello again, and we've just put some Hoover food down on the ground. We haven't even cleaned the thing yet. We're going to just test it straight out of the box.
Go.
Go on then.
Picking up well.
I think it's brushing up very well.
I feel the agitation.
You can feel the agitation. Excellent.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Do not today. Yes. So the bus burst, Spencer. Need to hit. See, the hose comes off.
Right.
See, the hose comes off.
Okay, so we'll stop the video. Yeah, the hose has just come out. I need to wedge it in good and proper. I think generally it's pretty good, and I think we'll show it again once it's been cleaned up quickly, and we'll put some more Hoover food down on the carpet. Bye for now.